In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to end call with power button. To end calls with power button, it's very simple. I'm gonna be showing you that right now. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings now. So once you get to your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to scroll down and tap on touch. So I want you to tap on touch now. So once you tap on touch, I want you to scroll down to where we have prevent lock to end call. So you want to make sure you turn this off. So once this is turned off, the side button will always end call whenever you press on it. So, but when it is turned on, this will prevent the side button from ending the current call. But when this is turned off, this will always the side button will always turn off the current call. So, guys, this is how you can actually end call with the power button. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.